Sabirama Hoi An is a local restaurant that caters for meetings, located in the heart of the Bay Mau coconut forest, only 4 kilometers from the center of Hoi An's ancient town. Whilst here, you can experience the renowned services that Sabirama Restaurant and Cooking Tours has to offer. Our venue is set in a large ecological property that can accommodate up to 500 guests. There are also convenient and easy parking facilities close by, so, when visiting Hoi An, why not treat yourself to a cooking experience and tour that you will never forget? Rest assured, you will enjoy the services and activities at Sabirama, including a fun-filled cooking class that begins at a local fresh food market, where our chef will assist you in buying the ingredients necessary to show off your cooking skills. Then delight in a boat cruise along the beautiful Thursday Bon River, where you will gaze upon the romantic and resplendent Hoi An Old Town as you coast on by. Next, you can explore the Bay Mau coconut forest on basket boats. Here, you will revel in the unique experience of meandering along this water wonderland and marvel at the famous water palms that seemingly go on forever. Upon arriving at Sabirama, let us take care of your well-being with a relaxing massage and spa treatment. You will then feel refreshed and ready to begin your cooking class. Cooking specialty Hoi An dishes in the beautifully designed surroundings in the style of Hoi An ancient town promises to be a lasting and memorable experience. Sabirama also conducts MasterChef game shows and is the perfect venue for meetings and large parties. Sabirama is committed to ensuring satisfaction and the highest quality service. We value your time spent with us during your visit to Hoi An, so let us help you to write your own Hoi An travel story. A tale we're sure your friends would love to share. Make Sabirama your first choice when visiting Hoi An.